Namaste. If you are healthy, you are the happiest person in the whole world. Do you believe that? Yes, health is wealth. When we are not feeling well, we'll go to hospital. What are the main things do you observe in the hospital? Yes. First, doctor or nurse will check your temperature with the help of thermometer. And then doctor checks your breath, heartbeat. Yes, with the help of stethoscope. And if you have any problem, he will write a blood test. So when you go to laboratory, what is the first thing you observe there? Important thing? Yes, microscope. So in this video, you are going to learn about clinical thermometer, stethoscope and microscope. What is it? Who invented it? When was this invented? And how we have to use that. Are you ready to watch this video? Go on. Living longer and healthier lives. Health is wealth. To live a long and healthy life, we need many different things. Like we need a clean environment, healthy, nutritious food, and we also need good medical care. Do you accept? Yes. A long time back, humans did not understand diseases and they did not know how to cure them. So, they thought that it's a God curse. But today, due to tremendous progress made by medical science, we understand why diseases occur. Several methods of diagnosing diseases have been developed and thousands of medicines are available. So now let us look into some major developments in the field of medical sciences. First thing is the clinical thermometer. When we fall ill, our body becomes warmer. This is known as fever. We touch our forehead to find out if it is warm or not. But it doesn't give a correct idea the fever you have. When you meet a doctor, what is the first thing he do? Yes, he checks your fever with the help of an device. What is that? Thermometer. So, we measure the temperature of the body with the help of a clinical thermometer. We measure this in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Depending upon the temperature we have, we consider it as whether we are having fever or not. This clinical thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. The next one is the stethoscope. When you go to a doctor, he examines your chest and back with a stethoscope. Why does he do that? He does that to check your heartbeat. The doctor is able to listen to the sound of your heart and your breathing through the instrument, so that it helps him to find out what you are suffering from. The stethoscope was invented by a French scientist, René Laennec. I am repeating, French scientist René Laennec. And then microscope. What is a microscope? Why does we need? A microscope magnifies a tiny object and makes it look much larger, so that it helps us to see things which are too small to see with naked eye. The first microscope was probably made by Jacques Janssen in 1590. In the year 1590, Jacques Janssen made the first microscope. Microscope contributed a lot to the development of the medicine because we can able to see the tiny microorganisms. So with its help, scientists were able to see for the first time the germs that caused diseases like bacteria, etc. So they started finding out what are the reasons for the disease. It then became possible to find medicines that could cure diseases by killing those germs. Today, doctors examine the blood or urine of a patient under a microscope to see the germs. This helps them find out the disease the patient is suffering from. That is the reason why they will write blood test when you are not feeling well. Time for an activity. So, what you have to do is write about how to use a clinical thermometer.